Yes, it's another African son, Leo Bukasa Shonza. He came, he did what he did, and he left us memories. Born in 1925 in the then Belgian Congo. Now it is called the Democratic Republic of Congo. Leo was a rare gem because of the way he was able to sing in Kiswahili, Chiluba, and Lingala, and he was very fluent and adept at it. In 1947, at the age of 22, he got hired by commodity trading and mining company called Jekamins. But in the year 1949, he meets Henry Bowane, and Bowane presents him to Ngoma Studios, and of course he became a star because of the way he was able to sing, compose, and play the guitar. Unfortunately, we lost him on the 16th of January 1974, so he died young. But like I said, he left us memories. We have to just appreciate this little song that was very much loved. My grandfather was a very great fan of this song. He would actually whistle along it as we grew up. I want to give you the translation of Congo ya biso, our Congo. Zaire ya biso, our Zaire. And this one is actually the second version. There was an earlier version that was released, but then he revised it to this one, which is a bit more up tempo and much more improved. Ngo Zaire ya biso bana basi bakomi kitoko. In our Zaire, our women have become very beautiful. Ongo Zaire wa biso basi babiso baebi kolata. And in our Zaire, our women really know how to dress. Kotala Natali mwana mwasi oyo. The way I looked at that woman, the way I saw that woman, Nakolata alati sokia baliteo, and you know, she is so very well dressed, even when she is not married. Miso maye na miso mangai makutani senze lamoko. So her eyes and my eyes met on the same road. We met on the road and we looked at each other. Ngo Zaire wa biso basi babiso baebi kolata. Our Zaire, our women really know how to dress. And I like the version of Lingala that he's singing. You know, we'll actually say Zaire ya biso, but he says Zaire wa biso. Yeah. Listen to that. Is that accordion? It sounds like an accordion. Ngo Zaire wa biso bana basi bakomi kitoko. In our Zaire, our women have become very beautiful. Ngo Zaire wa biso basi babiso baebi kolata. And in our Zaire, our women really know how to dress. Kotala Natali mwana mwasio. The way I looked at that woman, kolata alati sokia balite, the way she's dressed, if she's not married, miso maye na mayele maye makutani na miso nangase. Her eyes and my eyes met, her brain and my brain, her mind and my mind met on the road. Go, oh yeah, go. Hoopla. Zaire ya biso. Zaire ya biso, our Zaire. Ngo Zaire wa biso bana basi bakomi kitoko. In our Zaire, our women have become very beautiful. Ngo Zaire wa biso basi babiso bayebi kolata. Ngo Zaire ya biso basi babiso bayebi kolata. And in our Zaire, our women really know how to dress. Kotala Natali mwana mwasio. The way I looked at that woman, Nakolata alati sokia balite, and the way she's dressed, if she's not married, miso maye na mayele maye makutani nzila moko nanga. So her eyes and her brain, her mind met with mine on the same road. Oh, ngo Zaire ya biso bana basi bakomi kitoko. In our Zaire, our women have become very beautiful. Was it just a song meant to praise women? I think so. End of the song. Thank you for watching this video. If you're watching me for the first time, remember to hit the subscribe button.